Hey everyone, it's Delano again. Are you ready for your next lesson? In this lesson, we'll learn about order of operations. Order of operations is a foundational principle that you will likely rely upon throughout your mathematical journey. Also known as PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. This is a crucial mathematical concept that ensures consistency and accuracy in solving mathematical expressions. In real life, calculations also involve multiple operations, and performing them in the correct order can mean the difference between a correct and incorrect answer. For example, when calculating financial budgets, determining measurements in construction, or analyzing data in science, following PEMDAS ensures everyone arrives at the same results. It provides a universal standard that helps avoid confusion and ensures fairness in computations, making it an essential foundation for math and its applications in everyday life. So why is order of operations important? Without a standard order, different people may solve the same expression differently. PEMDAS ensures consistency and accuracy when solving expressions. Imagine if two people solved the same problem but came up with different answers. The order of operations makes sure everyone solves expressions the same way. So let's evaluate an expression using PEMDAS. Here we have 2 plus 3 times 4 squared minus 1. So step 1, we focus on the parentheses. We look at 4 squared minus 1. So we know that 4 squared is equal to 16. So inside of the parentheses is 16 minus 1, or 15. Now let's rewrite the equation, 2 plus 3 times 15. So we now have two operations depending on how you look at it, 2 plus 3 and 3 times 15. Which one is first? So we know according to PEMDAS, multiplication will be first, so 3 times 15 gives us 45. So rewrite the equation one more time to give us 2 plus 45, or final answer of 47. And there you have it. But let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting to start with parentheses. Doing addition or subtraction before multiplication or division. Ignoring exponents until after other operation. Forgetting that addition and subtraction carry the same priority. So too do multiplication and division. So if you have a problem with addition and subtraction, these carry the same priority, so you will simply move from left to right. Similarly, if you have a problem with multiplication and division, these carry the same priority, so you will simply move from left to right as well. Now that you know the rules, let's work through a few examples. And it sounds like the perfect time to head on over to our numeracy board and work through them together. Welcome back to our numeracy board. In this lesson, we learned order of operations and we talked about PEMDAS. So let's do an example. Here we have the expression 3 plus 5 squared divided by 4. And so we're going to look at our order. So the first thing we have is a parentheses, which is the P. So we're going to solve for the parentheses. So we have 8 squared divided by 4. The 2 is the exponent. So we're going to use the exponent to get 64. And this is divided by 4. Now we simply have a division problem. 64 divided by 4 is 16. And there you have it. Did that make sense? Very good. Thank you for joining us as we talk about order of operations in PEMDAS. And trust me, the quicker you commit this rule to memory, the more success you will have. And again, if you need more assistance, feel free to use one of our tools to help you on your journey. And don't hesitate to check out a video from our numeracy navigators to get more examples. Until then, happy numerating.